Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's a super exciting day. I just finished getting ready to go to my hair appointment. I'm going to the hair salon for the first time in 10 years and I'm getting my hair colored for the first time in my life. Like colored at a hair salon, I normally just do box dye by myself. So if you guys want to see me transform all this mane, then keep on watching. And yeah, I wanted to vlog it and take you guys along with me. You guys, I'm so nervous. I feel like it took me so long to grow my hair to this length, but I feel like I've gotten to the point where my hair is just wearing me. And I definitely want to keep some of the length, but I just want it to like shape my face better and not like take over. Like I just feel like sometimes it takes over me. Put up some like inspo pics on the screen of what I'm kind of looking for. I definitely want to get some like curtain bangs, some long layers, some color. I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit, maybe add some like chocolate, brown, and caramel highlights just to give some dimension because I just feel like it's so blah right now. So I'm gonna finish changing, getting ready, and then I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna vlog the whole thing. I'm so nervous. I'm dressed so it made it like officially real. Come on camera, focus. I'm in focus. So this is the before of my hair. Like legit, it's down to my hips. When I turn around, it is down to my butt. So about here. So we're going to switch this up. I'm so excited. I'm also just so nervous. It took me about 5 years to get my hair to this length, and for the longest my hair wouldn't grow past a certain length. So I get scared that my hair won't grow back if I don't like it, but at the same time I feel like I learned how to treat my hair and how to help my hair grow so much quicker, because I have cut my hair since it's been this length and I've taken off like a good few inches, and I still feel like it definitely grows back faster now that I know how to take care of it. So we'll see. I'm so nervous. I'm having second thoughts. All right, we made it. Janessa doesn't want to be on camera, but she's a great hairstylist. She works at Pink Soda in West Hartford. Okay, cute. All right, here's an update. We have foils in, the bleach going. I probably shouldn't touch it, okay. One step closer. All right, so Janessa, you're not really in this clip. Okay. So can you at least talk to the camera?
Sure.
Tell us what you did.
Yes, so we did a full balayage on her. She wanted some dimension added, kind of like a chocolatey, caramelly type of dimension. So we did that. We brought it up a little higher towards her face. Now we're toning, getting her that chocolatey caramel brown. And then we're gonna cut it all off.
We're going bald. No. So Janessa, tell us about your position here at Pink Soda.
So I am the manager of
the invisible manager.
I am the manager of the West Hartford location. I'm also the styling educator, so I travel to all the locations and I just give them tips and tricks and do classes on all types of styling, from blowouts to curling, straightening even, and updos, beach waves, all that kind of fun stuff. Yeah. And
what made you want to do hair?
Well, I kind of always knew I wanted to do hair. Like, I was that girl in elementary school who was braiding every other girl's hair.
Really?
At recess. Like, I literally always knew I wanted to do this. I didn't even try college because I was like, not for me. And I went to hair school right after high school, and I never did anything else.
And she's worked her way up ever since. In case you guys didn't know, Janessa's my sister-in-law. Also an amazing hairstylist. If you're in Connecticut, come see her at Pink Soda in West Hartford.
We do everything you need, even spray tanning.
They're a full-service salon, right?
Yes, full service.
So you guys do spray tanning. Obviously you do color.
The cut, the color, the blowouts. We do wedding hair. We also offer makeup. We have a bunch of different like deep conditioning treatments that we offer. Olaplex.
Ooh.
We have CBD infused treatment, which is really, really good for like damaged hair and dry hair, all that kind of stuff.
They got it all here. It's so cute in here too, and it's like right in like a really cute area. So there's a lot to do.
Yeah, like literally get your hair done and then go to lunch.
There you go, yeah.
Go shopping or something. All right, I'm gonna do CBD on you, okay? And then I'm gonna put the Olaplex treatment on you.
I love Olaplex.
And then, yeah, we'll go finish your cut and your blowout.
Also, I'm not trying to hide. Well, I am trying to hide Janessa, but not because I want to. Today wasn't her camera ready day.
No.
So I took the L and I've been recording right here.
I also am extremely sunburned. That's why I don't have makeup or anything on.
But I'll insert a picture of her from her Instagram that she approves of, so you guys can put a face to the voice.
That is so nice.
I'll put the face here every time you're talking. Another reason you need to come here is because at the chair where you get your hair washed at, it legit massages your whole back. So you get a massage treatment out of it too.
I take advantage of the massage chair on my breaks.
I love that.
I sit in the back sink and I just let it be.
I feel like that's exactly what I would do if I worked here. Are you guys ready for the after? I'm gonna walk into the frame in 3, 2, 1. This is how my hair came out. I literally have you guys in my kitchen because that's like the only place where there is decent lighting because it's so like gloomy out. But this is how it came out. I genuinely love it. Once I got home, I realized like how long it still was. We legit took off like 4.5 inches, but it's still pretty dang long. We added some like layers. I got curtain bangs, and Janessa, I mean, I know I'm biased because she's my sister-in-law, but like I genuinely love how my hair came out. And then like I also had a concern because like we had 2 pieces here that were like a little bit too bright for my liking, just like with everything. And like no big deal, she literally just like toned it and just did what she had to do to like make sure that I was happy, which I honestly just love and appreciate. And I'm just literally so obsessed with this. I feel like my hair is no longer wearing me. Like I feel like I'm able to wear my hair. I definitely want to go probably like a little shorter, but I had to do baby steps because I knew if I went too short and I came home, I would be like freaking out and like lose my whole identity. Just kidding, but I have to do things in increments. I feel like the color change with the dramatic haircut would have been like too much at once. Although that would have been cute too. But I love it. Let me show you guys the back a little bit better. So like before, my hair was legit down to about here. Now it's down to here. It also feels so much healthier. She did have bleach in my hair. She didn't have it in there for that long because I didn't want my hair too light. But even with that, I was expecting my hair to feel like a little bit dry and dull. But she ended up doing, she explained like a Olaplex treatment and then I think a CBD treatment. And my hair feels so soft. I love it. I'm definitely happy that I bit the bullet and I showed up to my hair appointment. Because I kid you not, you guys, this morning I was like having a panic attack. Like, I'm exaggerating, but I was freaking out literally about not to show up to the hair appointment just because I was like, I don't know. But I'm so happy that I did the change because I genuinely feel like it's not even that dramatic of a difference, but it makes just the right amount of difference that I needed. And I feel like it just suits my face shape so much better. Like you can see my face more, it brightens it up. I really like it. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here just because this was just supposed to be a hair vlog. But if you guys want to see more content from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me because yeah, it just meant a lot to feel like I had moral support before I went to my hair appointment. I know I'm like acting like this is such a big deal. I know there's bigger things going on in the world, but it just always feels good when you get your hair done and you actually like genuinely love it. So yeah, I love you guys. I pray y'all stay safe and I'll see you next time. Bye.